If you are running a WordPress beat store with Sonaar MP3 player or using templates like Rebirth or Audience, you know how fast your media library can get messy. All drafts, tagged versions, and test exports pile up. The problem is, WordPress doesn't tell you which audio files are actually being used for your Sonaar players or WooCommerce products. If you clean them the wrong way, you risk deleting product audio and breaking your store. That is why I built the Beatifyy Unused Audio Cleaner for WordPress. It's made for music producers and online store owners. It understands how WordPress templates like Sonaar, Rebirth, and Audience store your beats. It also protects your WooCommerce downloadable files. To get started, install the plugin, activate it, and you'll find it under Tools, Unused Audio Cleaner. When you open it, you'll see a simple dashboard. You can choose to ignore files newer than X days, useful if you're still working on a beat, and set a limit of how many files to scan at once. Click Scan and the plugin checks your media library. Unlike generic cleaners, it looks inside your Sonaar playlist and WooCommerce product data. That means your product beats, whether they're in a Sonaar Rebirth template player or an Audience template playlist or in a WooCommerce download field, are always safe. After the scan, you will see a unused file listed with details like size, upload date, and quick open link. When you are ready, select the files and click Delete Selected. By default, they go to trash. You can restore them later, but you can also choose to delete them permanently to free up space instantly. And before doing a big cleanup, I always recommend making a full backup of your website. Better safe than sorry. And that's it. With the Beatifyy Unused Audio Cleaner, you can remove unused audio files from your WordPress beat store in minutes, while keeping the audio files that are attached or linked to your Sonaar players and your WooCommerce product audio files safe. Link in the description to download the plugin and clean your store today.